Hi guys, I am going to show you how to set up an account so you can start investing. The platform I am going to use is Etoro. First choose a username and you will then be asked to complete your profile. You will be asked for your name, gender and date of birth. Then your country and address. You will then be asked about your stocks, crypto and leveraged investing experience as well as trading knowledge. Answer truthfully so Etoro will set up your account best to suit you. You will be asked about your attitude to risk and your planned investments. Finally, you will need to verify your phone, identity and address, and once you pass verification you will be ready to go. Remember, your capital is at risk as with all investments. Please do your own research and use your own due diligence before you invest. Good luck pumping, dumping and hodling on Etoro.